Hey, what's up, BuySmart family? Welcome back to another episode where we do the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the sky-high world of drones. On the left corner, we have the budget-friendly Loyly drone, the ultimate toy for beginners and kids. And in the right corner, we have the Tomzon P5 GGPS drone, the high-tech beast that claims to be the king of the skies. Buckle up and let's see which one will take your money and which one will just take up space. First up, let's talk about the cameras. Loyly comes with a 1080p HD camera. It's like that friend who has a decent phone camera but insists on taking every group photo. On the other hand, Tomzon brings a whopping 4K UHD camera. That's right, folks, 4K. It's like having a mini Hollywood studio in the sky. According to reviewers, Loyly's camera is decent for its price, but struggles in windy conditions. Tomzon, however, impresses users with its image quality, making it ideal for capturing detailed images from high altitudes. Now, battery life. Loyly offers a respectable 25 to 30 minutes of flight time with its two batteries. Perfect for when you want to impress your neighbors, but not enough to make them call the cops. Tomzon, however, gives you 36 minutes of flight time. That's like having a drone marathon. Plus, it comes with two batteries, so you can keep flying while Loyly is taking a nap. Reviewers appreciate Loyly's dual battery system, but are wowed by Tomzon's longer flight time and reliability. Next, let's talk about user-friendliness. Loyly is like that friendly neighbor who waves at everyone. With features like one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, even your grandma could fly it. Tomzon also has beginner-friendly features like headless mode and altitude hold, but throws in GPS and a follow me mode. It's like having your own personal paparazzi. Reviewers find Loyly to be an excellent choice for beginners and kids, whereas Tomzon is praised for making users feel like pros. Portability is key, especially when you want to show off your drone skills at the park. Loyly is super lightweight and foldable, fitting right into your pocket or backpack. Tomzon is also under 250 grams, so no FAA registration headaches, but it comes with a waterproof carry bag. So if you're planning to fly during a hurricane, Tomzon's got you covered. Reviewers love Loyly's compact design, but appreciate Tomzon's added convenience and protection. Special features time. Loyly offers 360 degrees flips, gravity sensing, and even gesture selfies. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. But wait, Tomzon isn't backing down. This bad boy has GPS auto-return, custom path light, and even a circle flight mode. Reviewers have fun with Loyly's playful features, but are blown away by Tomzon's advanced capabilities. Last but not least, customer support. Loyly offers 24-hour technical support, a quality warranty, and a money-back guarantee. That's a pretty sweet deal, but Tomzon one-ups with a 1-year warranty and 24/7 online help. It's like having a drone therapist available at all times. Reviewers commend Loyly's support, but highlight Tomzon's exceptional and responsive customer service. Overall, reviewers find the Loyly drone to be a versatile and user-friendly option, especially for beginners and kids. It offers good value for money with features like altitude hold and gesture selfies, though it lacks GPS functionalities. Tomzon P5 GGPS drone, on the other hand, impresses users with its high-quality 4K camera, longer flight time, and advanced features like GPS auto-return and Follow Me mode. While some users faced technical difficulties, the responsive customer service makes it a reliable choice. So there you have it, folks. If you're on a budget and just want something fun and easy to fly, go for the Loyly drone. It's perfect for beginners and kids. But if you're ready to splurge a little and want all the bells and whistles, the Tomson P5G GPS drone is your sky-high ticket. Both are great in their own ways, but it all comes down to what you need. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome product comparisons. Until next time, fly smart with Buy Smart. Product links are in the description.